today a new video is with you. I want to share a traditional recipe with some shape modifications. Moon-shaped baklava. I'm excited about sharing what I learned from my ancestors. Let me start with dough. 2 large eggs, a glass of sunflower oil, a glass of water, a glass of milk. Stir until well combined. Glass size is 200 milliliters. I will write all the ingredients in the explanation box below. Now, we are gonna add some flour. We decide the amount of flour by looking at the consistency of the dough. Protein ratio of flour have to be greater than 11%. Otherwise, dough won't be rolled out easily. 5 grams of baking powder is added. A tablespoon of vinegar, and then we stir for a while. Don't want to give you an exact amount of flour because consistency can differ according to egg size and other ingredients. Knead the dough until well incorporated. We have to adjust the consistency. What is the proper consistency for baklava dough? Unsticky and soft. We are gonna break some dough of about 35 to 40 grams, like a small walnut in size. I measured, but of course not necessary. We can use our sense of proportion. I'm rolling to get ball-shaped small doughs. Leave the dough rest at least 2 hours. This is the most important part, otherwise it won't roll out easily. I won't roll out the dough one by one. I am gonna roll out 6 of them at once. Sprinkle some with starch and place the dough on top. Roll out the dough in 3 or 4 moves, about 15 cm in diameter. Also use cornstarch, but my choice is with starch. It is better to sprinkle generously. While enlarging, first we use bigger rolling pin. Flip the filo dough over sometimes to get a proper circular shape. You can take the smaller rolling pin, then roll out it until reach the 40 cm in diameter. Sprinkle some walnuts and fold the edges to get square-like in shape. Instead of walnut, you can try pistachio, nuts, or mixture of them. To get moon-like shape, I used a glass. It is not necessary to spread some oil on tray, since we are gonna pour plenty of oil on top of baklava later. I'm melting 200 grams of butter and 100 milliliters of sunflower oil, but not boiling, just melting. Further, remove this white part to get a bright appearance, otherwise there will be some dark spots on the top of baklava. This oil is called as ghee oil. and spread the oil mixture on top evenly and generously. According to me, baking part is also important. If we don't cook the baklava very well, the taste of baklava won't be as we desire. A view from oven. I cooked for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius and reduced the temperature to 170 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Total cooking time is 80 minutes. Make sure that inside of the baklava is well cooked. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. Last step before the final is preparing syrup. 3 glasses of water and 3 glasses of sugar. Be sure that all the sugar is completely melted. After simmering, continue to simmer for 10 minutes. You can learn the consistency of the syrup by looking at the drops. We can check the density of the syrup by looking at the drops. 1 second for each drop. Then squeeze lemon, about a tablespoon. Now we are mixing the syrup with baklava. Baklava is cold, syrup is hot. This is the guaranteed method. Baklava dessert is suitable for Eid, celebrations, family meetings, etc. We can make baklava in every single Eid. Even though it seems a bit difficult, actually it is easy and rewarding. It is a must-try food. Enjoy your meal.